everybody. My name is
Bendy Ink Boss.
Welcome to
The Mario Kart Double Dash tier list. So a month ago when I was bored, I decided to play through Double Dash on a Dolphin. I mean a legit GameCube I bought at a retro store with hard-earned money, and I actually had a pretty good time with this game. I adore a handful of courses here, and it's gonna be fun to tackle here. It's also the first time here where there's not a single D-tier course, but a few of them at the bottom I rather not play all that much than others. Anyways, let the tier list begin. And that was it for Double Dash. Man, the courses are a blast to play with other people, which the very loose controls help with the track design being chaotic as all heck, and next time when we move over to DS, things are more simple, but much more exciting tracks. Can't wait to see what DS has in store for us. If you want to see me rank Peach Gardens at the top of the list, be sure to hit the subscribe and like button. And turn on notifications if you want to see Figure 8 Circuit rank dead last. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye now.